Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to explain about how to reset a Sharp TV. If you own a Sharp Aquos TV, you may have had some issues during its operational lifetime. Calling a technical support is often the wisest option, but sometimes a simple factory reset is all needed to restore your television to perfect working order. There are two types of reset. One is the soft reset and one is hard reset. Now I am going to explain about first soft reset of Sharp TV. First step is start your TV and press the menu button on your remote control. After that, navigate through the menu option with the left and right arrow keys until you find the setup submenu. After that, select reset and press enter button. If you set access code referred as a secret number for a parental controls, enter it with the number paid on the remote control and press enter again. Highlight button, press yes using the left or right arrow key and press enter. Select yes again when prompted that the television will restart and press enter. The TV will then display now initializing and the power will shut off. The television will automatically turn back restored to factory defaults. Now I am going to explain about how to hard reset a Sharp TV. First of all, press the power button on the remote. After that, unplug the TV from the power source. Now press and hold together the input button and volume minus button on your TV. While holding the buttons, plug the TV back into power. When the screen turns on, you can release the buttons. Afterward, press together volume minus button and CH minus button on the TV. Enter the service menu. Once in the service menu, you can use the control plus and minus button on the remote to navigate through it. Now scroll down until you find the highlight the industry int. Next, press the volume plus button on the remote to change the volume from off to on. Then press the OK button on the remote. Wait until the industry int success appears on the screen. Then unplug the TV from the power source. Now plug the TV back to the power and press the power button on the remote to turn it on. After a while, setup screen should be appear.